Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to disable touch sound on Realme C67 device. If you feel uncomfortable with any sound on your keypad, and then you can disable it by doing these steps. Okay, first of all, you can go to the settings menu. Okay, and then here you can choose sound and vibrations. Well, after that here you can scroll down, and then please press tap and click sound option. Okay, and then the touch sound on your device is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to disable touch sound on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.